Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match preview time. It's the big one. Make sure to smash a like, drop your thoughts in down on the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. I got a guest with me, them dude. Welcome, my brother. How are you doing?
I'm good, man. How are you?
I'm good, my brother. I'm good. We are taking on Mamelodi Sundowns, a wounded Mamelodi Sundowns, 9 times champions. How are you feeling ahead of the game?
So bashaya
Yeah.
yeah. In fact, we won 3 out of 3 actually.
Yeah.
Kusho ukuthi coming to this game sine confident ukudlula bo mfethu because emangithi ngiyabheka nabo bahlangahlangene ayithola amajita futhi sebane pressure and obviously kule game leya bangaba aggressive and emangithi ngiyabheka thina sinama player ne speed lokho kuzoyenza ukuthi basivulele fede i-pace bazoshiya i-pace eyiningi yayibona.
Yeah, I think it's fair to say we are the confident side going to this game. We've won 3 out of 3. Also important to mention that we haven't considered a goal yet, but it's still Mamelodi Sundowns at the end of the day. They are going to come out guns blazing. You also mentioned good loss against Orlando Pirates. They had to be escorted to the bus. So I think they are not going to make things easier for us. They want to win this game against all odds, But watching their game so far this season, which areas of weaknesses have you seen in their side, and how do you think we can exploit those weaknesses?
Ngizoringa ngala game Pirates ayithu amajita adlale i-high line lapha, leaving the space behind. Pirates manage exploit lesa space through i-pace kaSibilebile nama long ball kamjita umbokazi noSiyema. Ngithi mangicabanga la kule side lethu mfethu kungabi khona kamdlalo ofana noDudley noMakhethi izosibulala because amajita amnandi enyaweni nangamaphasi yabona and mangithi ngiyabheka uMiguel noKwinika cishe kube ngathi abadlala abafanayo ngathi abekho mnandi kahle yabona nokubuilda from emuva ngathi kuzoba nzima.
Yeah, I think Eden Makhethi and Rushin Dudley is going to be a very, very big miss, because this is the game where we are going to need a lot of diagonal long balls, more especially going to their left side, where I think it's going to be Oprim Diba on the Lunga, ne? But okay, let's say Lunga, it's going to be Divine Lunga. It's going to go up and down. Is going to be covered by Ukran Kekana, who's also not the quickest centre back. So we'll need those diagonal balls in behind. So they are going to be a big miss, But we've won 3 games. Yet to concede, but we are not perfect. So in our games, which weaknesses have you saw in our team?
Ngicabanga ukuthi la nesigubhini ngathi asikhomnandi and misplace amaphasi kakhulu
too much
and Sundowns quality mfethu fede abo Richards Bay yabona abana leyo quality leyo besikhona ukurecover fast mara ukudlala neteam efana neSundowns wenzela ama mistake lawo so limala mfethu so indaba yethu ngicabanga ukuthi so limala la
nesigubhini and it's they have Teboho Mokoena, was arguably the best midfielder in the country. Marcelo Allende, Jaden Adams. They are a very, very good team. And you also mentioned Uchi, we are giving away the ball cheaply. And this is Mamelodi Sundowns. The last thing you want to do is to give them position easily, because they're a team that can hurt you. They are very clinical forward. They have Ikram Reyners, best number 9 in the country, no doubt. So it's going to be, this game may be decided by one team making a mistake and the other team capitalizing on that mistake. So it's a game whereby we'll have to make less mistakes, So this is the predicted starting 11 I've gone with. So you'll tell me which areas do you think we should make changes and where are you worried? In goals, Brendan Peterson obviously on the right, Chabiso Mnyane on the left. Shinga is sick, Bradley Cross is sick, who has been studying there, so it's going to be Paseka Marco. Centre backs, Zicha Kwinika, Inaso Miguel in the middle of the park, Chavo Tsele, Subongiseni Mchechwa is going to come in. As the number 10, Tutuzi Shabalala wide, Sereno and Lilepo up front, Duba. Which changes would you make to this team?
Mangithi ngiyabheka kulama game esiwadlalile amajita abo wanokukrossa ithola ngathi sile team lena efuna ukudlala esidinga istriker esiphysical so kule game ngamzama umdlalo ofana noSilva.
But I don't think Flavio Silva will start this game, considering ukuthi he hasn't played this season, and we are taking on Mamelodi Sundowns. You are not going to test the waters against Mamelodi Sundowns.
True.
So, which alternative will you take? Which other player will you start ahead of Andile Tuba? Because, to be honest, I'm also not convinced by Tuba's performance this season in the last 3 games, but I think I'd pick him ahead of Ashley Dupree. Would you pick Ashley Dupree ahead of Andile Tuba?
Yeah, man, Dupree uyayilimaza mfethu sometimes.
Yeah, especially with his pace.
Yeah, ngale pace yakhe mfethu nomjita uyakwazi ukuhlala kahle eboxini azipositione kahle uthola. So Andile Tuba sinenkinga nyana kancane because finishing yakhe kulamalanga. Akekho accurate umjita. Ngine stress.
Hayi khuleka. So Paseka Mako coming in for Bradley Cross. Are you happy with that one?
Yeah, I'm happy, man.
Okay, there are obviously a lot of questions. Would you start him in this game?
Yeah, man. Yeah, we need a physical player like him in this game.
Yeah, I think
we need a destroyer like him in that middle of the park.
Especially against a midfield like Mamelodi Sundowns, you need someone who can bulldoze there. But I'm on the ball, man. He's not that good. What do you think of Mchecho on the ball?
Mchecho, man, has been improving. You know,
Yeah.
I'm quite impressed with his performance.
Okay.
His current performance, let me see.
Okay, forward Gaston Sereno coming in for obviously Duduzi Shabalala played on the left against Richards Bay. Second half, he played in the middle and he played really well. Gaston Sereno. So, who are you starting between Gaston Sereno and Pule Modi?
I'm starting Pule Modi. Considering that Pule Modi is a very skillful player. You know, he can take on players like one-on-one.
Yeah.
Can go and take on players. Afaka macross. Sereno ngamfakeze up, man.
Okay, I will start with Sereno because he has a point to prove against Mamelodi Sundowns. You know, besides him being a good player, he has a point to prove. And sometimes that may work against us, you know, because Angaba aggressive, you know, because he has a point to prove. But I will start with Gaston Sereno because of our qualities work. So, give me your match prediction.
Siyabashaya labantu.
Score?
Hayi lapha yazi sobashaya kabuhlungu.
Yeah.
1-0.
Is that a realistic prediction or a hopeful prediction?
1-0.
1-0. No, we will be there. Mine, okay. It's very difficult to predict against your own team, you know, but I think we'll win 2-1. We'll win 2-1. Let's see.
2-1.
We're 2-1. Thanks for watching. Smash a like, drop your thoughts in down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.